Face that stream this way. Oh, don't hit the house. Please don't hit that house. Oh God, it's gonna hit. I hope it doesn't hit that house. There it is, ground circulation. It is on the ground, there it is. You getting it in the stream? Stay away from the buildings, please, please, please. Please. Oh, it's all the way down. It is all the way down. Haha, steak tonight! Steak! Oh, please stay away from the house. No, it's gonna. Oh, please. No, 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 no. Getting it on the stream? Oh, no. Please, please, please. I think it's gonna miss the house. Oh, this is fun. Oh. Oh man. There it is, guys. Big tornado on the ground. Alongside it here. Alright, pull up on the other side of this truck. Alright, stop. Face the stream out there. Go, 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 go. It's coming right for us. It's right out the window. We gotta go, people. We gotta go. Hands on the way. Just keep it right there. You're good. Keep that stream right there. Keep the stream right there. Okay, okay. Keep going, keep going. Oh my God. It's right there. Keep going. Okay, pull off of here, pull off of here. Don't let this thing cross in front of us. Please go around us. Crap. Look, listen to the roar. Let's get pretty close. I know, just wait. That's pretty close. Go, 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 go. popping. Ears are popping. Keep going, keep going. If you stop now, we are gonna get hit. Go, 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 go. Pull down the back window. Watch the road, just watch the road. Oh, debris getting pulled in. Oh, my ears. Yeah, I know, ears are popping. Okay, we have to go after this car. Come on, let him go first. Go. There's gonna be a wreck here. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's going through the town. Oh God, it's hitting the town. Oh God. Oh my God, the vortex. Ah. Look at this. Oh God, it hit the town. Oh, there goes the roof, there goes the roof. Oh, you can hear the roar.
Oh my God.
Oh, Hoss, ho, watch where you're going. We gotta go. There it is. Right on us. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. We're good, we're good. This thing's far from done.
Hey Sarah, you want to hold this for a minute and get the camera back out. Not a long one.
Oh, cone's coming back down again. Long track tornado. It's coming straight down this road. Good, we're good.
I started seeing the top part up here, the hairy fingers coming down. I thought,
Oh yeah.
wedge out, and it would just engulf us.
I mean, that's a pretty wide circulation right there. It's just not fully condensed.
Yep. Look at that little anti-cyclonic spin right there.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
It's gonna be one of the craziest tornadoes I've ever seen. Especially getting that close.
Oh, look, there's a looks like a funnel back behind a little dissipate or whatever it was.
Man. Those vortices and those fields.
Wow.
And did you see it take out those grain silos?
Yeah, I did.
Oh God, I hope they got inside. Might have to bump down the road a little further again. Because you could have an anticyclonic come down out of this collar cloud.
See it from now right there, so